How to write and graph equations with parallel and perpendicular lines. Step 1. Graph the line using y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. Start by plotting the y-intercept on the y-axis, the vertical axis, then using the slope, or the fraction form, to plot the next coordinate of the line using rise over run. As you see here, the slope of our line is 2. The y-intercept is 1. So we will plot that line, 1 on the y-axis. Next, we will take the slope of the line, 2, or 2 over 1 in fraction form, which could also be written in -2 over -1. We will follow the form rise over run and go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. To find a parallel line, you have to use y equals mxb to create the next line's equation by copying the base equation's slope and choosing a new y-intercept. As you see here, we have y equals 2x plus 1. Then we copy y equals 2x, just the slope. As long as the slope stays the same, the line will be parallel. Here we have a new y-intercept that is 4, but the slope stays the same. As we plot this line on the y-axis, plus 4, we can then follow our slope down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1. To write our perpendicular equation, we need to find the negative reciprocal of our slope. To find the negative reciprocal, we need to find the numerator and denominator of m, or our slope, then make it negative. As you see here, we have y equals 2x plus 1, our slope being 2 over 1, the reciprocal of that being 1 over 2, and the negative reciprocal being negative 1 over 2. Now, we rewrite our perpendicular equation with the negative reciprocal in place of the slope. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. Using what we've already learned, we now graph the perpendicular equation. Start by plotting the y-intercept as always on the y-axis or the vertical axis. Then, using the slope in rise over run form, plot the next coordinate. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. Our y-intercept is 5, so we'll start by plotting at plus 5 on the y-intercept. Then, following our rise over run, we will go negative 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2 as the line carries on perpendicularly.